Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to connect Canva to Facebook. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your social media efforts, making it incredibly easy to create stunning visuals and share them directly with your audience. We'll cover the simple steps to link your accounts, allowing you to publish your designs without ever leaving Canva. Get ready to boost your efficiency and elevate your online content in just a few minutes. To begin linking your accounts, first log into Canva and either open an existing design or head to the content planner. Within the editor, locate the Share button, often represented by an arrow, or click the three dots for more options. From there, choose Share on Social and then select Facebook page or Facebook group. You will then be guided through connecting your Facebook account and granting Canva the required permissions. Remember, direct posting to personal Facebook profiles is not supported, only pages and groups. Once your accounts are successfully linked, publishing your designs becomes incredibly simple. After creating your visual, you can choose to publish it immediately or schedule it for a future date and time using Canva's content planner. You'll select the specific Facebook page or group for your post and can even craft a captivating caption right there in Canva. If your design has multiple pages, you have the flexibility to choose which ones to share, giving you full control over your content. Connecting Canva and Facebook offers numerous advantages. It saves you valuable time by removing the extra steps of downloading designs and then manually uploading them to Facebook. This integration also helps maintain consistent branding across all your posts, ensuring a professional look. Plus, with Canva's built-in scheduling tool, you can plan your content calendar weeks or even months ahead. Always remember to optimize your designs for Facebook's recommended dimensions, typically around 940 by 700 and 88 pixels for posts, to ensure the highest visual quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.